What if I told you that you could earn hundreds of dollars per day simply by listening to music? Yes, you heard that right. And today we're going to be talking about BeeWave because this is one of the revolutionary products out there that essentially are helping freelancers earn serious money very, very easily. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. So this is BeeWaveWork.com. You can basically do any kind of freelancing task that you can think of and then get paid for doing so. It's a very, very simple process. And as we're talking about listening to music here, let's go to the music promotion section. We can see you can just listen to these songs that basically people have paid to promote on this platform and then get paid $3.40 for listening. So yeah, fantastic stuff from these guys. Let's just talk about how to actually get involved with this and a few of the benefits you can get from actually doing this very quickly. So to begin with, just click the link in the description and the sign up process is super easy. You can see here, just enter an email, get your confirmation code here by clicking this button, and then put your password in. After that, press sign up and you are good to go to begin earning money. But what does that actually look like? So here we are in my dashboard and you can see here just from completing a few tasks, I've actually earned nearly $80 already. Okay, and one thing you will have to do here, guys, is actually submit a $300 performance bond. This is just helping the platform run. This is helping make sure that this isn't getting botted, right? And this can just be staked or withdrawn at any time, right? So with that, let's just talk about the platform here and how this would look when you do actually earn stuff. All you got to do is complete a task, right? So let's go to music promotion here. Let's pick one of these songs. Let's say this one here, we're going to try and earn 80 cents. So we're going to click get on that, and then it's going to be added to our task list. We can see here our task list here is the one we've just added right now. And now we've just basically got to go and listen to this song. So if we click this task here, we're going to see a little bit more of a description of what you need to do for the task. And this will apply to any of the other freelancing tasks, right? So whether it is copywriting, whether it is doing a survey, stuff like this, you will have your own little brief here on what you need to do. But in this case, just listening to a song, pretty easy. And then, yeah, they've actually got instructions of how to listen to this as well. So you can see here, they want you to listen to it. They want you to take a screenshot of you listening to it. And then they also want to see that you've actually liked that song as well. So the person that's paid to promote this song essentially wants that so they can get algorithm advantage, and that is why you can earn so much just by listening to the song and proving that you've listened to it. So we're going to take this link and then we're going to throw it into our music, and then we are going to see the song here. We're going to show that we're listening to it. We're going to like that, and then we're just going to take a screenshot of that process. Then we're going to upload this screenshot very easily and then submit for proof. Very easy from that point. And then we're going to upload us doing that with the screenshot here, as you can see, and it's going to look exactly like this. So that's good stuff. And yes, we're just going to press submit. And then what's going to happen is these guys' team will basically check that you have done this. And from that point, you're actually going to get this completed and you're going to have that 80 cents into your account. Very, very simple. It is literally that easy. There's a couple other things I want to show you here today. If we go over to our profile again and go to invite friends, we're actually going to get a referral code. And if you do actually invite someone successfully with your referral code, you're actually going to get $12 deposited into your account instantly. This is just to help them grow their platform and scale and pay as many people as possible, as well as get new clients by showing that they do have an audience to promote to. And we can see here that we do have a referral QR code. And basically, if you do get someone to actually get onto this platform and start doing the freelancing work like you're doing, you're actually going to get $6 deposited into your account. And this is just to show that basically to their clients that they do have an audience to market to. And therefore, it just keeps the whole economy going where you can get paid to listen to songs and then people will actually want to pay to get those listens on their Spotify or on their YouTube music. And if you do sign up today using our link in the description, you're actually going to get $12 instantly into your account. And that's just a massive bonus anyway. But there is another thing that I do want to show you here today, and this is one reason why I do love this platform, and I do think this platform is legit. And we can see that we do have a daily limit right now of $4. So what these guys do to actually prove that people aren't botting this to earn money and actually having people like us, real freelancers, earning real money for doing real tasks, yeah, they are going to have some kind of verification process that is important here. And this is just going to scare away all the bots. And we can see here, yes, that's going to be a $300 deposit. and you can withdraw that at any time, of course. And they also have a plan system here where you can increase your earnings every single day by just buying one of these plans. So we can see here for $16, we can actually get $14 per day on the first plan. And again, that's why I do have this $300 into the account, because we're going to purchase this plan today. But if we do go down here, we can see all of the limits are just massively increased depending on what plan you use. So we can see here, if we were to pay $450, we're actually going to get a daily quota of $240. So basically, after 2 days, guys, of this plan E, for example, we would have actually earned our money back, and we can start profiting for basically every day for $240 per day. So really, really good stuff here. I do like this as kind of like a fail safe to keep the bots away and keep everything honest across the board here. So let's just purchase this plan on plan A. And as we do just press that confirm button, we will see that if we do go over to our account here, and as we have just purchased this plan, we will see that our daily quota actually has gone up to $14 here. So that's fantastic. I can now earn $14 per day. And again, guys, literally 2 days, I'll be back in the profit. So no problem there. Or you could just use this on the free plan, guys, and then save up enough to purchase the plan anyway. So no real problem there. So just make sure you are ready, because if you do want to beat the bots, if you do want to use a platform in a world full of AI and bots basically killing everything, right, we can see that here it is something that's fantastic when it comes to real humans earning real money from real promotion. So one other thing here for actually making sure your account is going to be good and not restricted, right, you can see here there's like a restriction level here at the top. Okay, so if you complete all of the verification methods, then you're going to have an excellent account. You're going to get faster reviews, faster payments, and you're just going to be at the front of the queue compared to everyone else. So if we go to account settings here, you can basically link your phone number, you can link your USDT address, so that will be a crypto address for you to withdraw to, and obviously you can get withdrawal passwords and login passwords as well. So if you just fill out all of these and really just verify your account, then you're just going to have this excellent mark here, which is going to put you to the front of the queue. It's going to make sure you're paid quicker. It's going to make sure that basically the moderators checking all of this stuff will get to your account first. So when it comes to withdrawals, there is a withdrawal limit, but it is incredibly low. If you're on plan A, guys, then the withdrawal limit is $50 per day, and then plan B $100, plan C $200, plan D $500. So yeah, the higher the plan you get to, think of this like a leveling up system, and the more you can basically withdraw from this platform every single day. So in summary here, guys, BeeWave is an incredible platform that helps freelancers earn money from doing very, very simple tasks. We can see from listening to music like we did in this video, we can see ghostwriting, Q&A surveys, stuff like this, where you can earn massive amounts of money. And again, guys, if you sign up using the link in the description, you're going to get $12 for free, and then you basically just have to earn $4 and you can purchase that plan A like I did today. So fantastic stuff from these guys. Definitely check it out. I've been earning some serious cash with this thing. So that is going to be it for this video. Check them out in the description, and I will see you in the next one.